This product is made with recycled content as part of our ambition to end plastic waste. Lifetime warranty. Wipe-able matieral for easy spot cleaning with soap and water. Large main compartment to hold all your gear and a ventilated laundry or shoe pocket. Water-resistant base to keep your stuff dry. Top reviews from the United States. The best. Bought this a while ago and it is by far the best backpack I've ever had. A lot of space, plus it's a cool-looking bag, down to the rose gold zippers. I take this thing with me when I hike, snorkel, and go on any trips. Very sturdy, I've hauled heavy items for long periods of time, and still somehow looks good as new. Would absolutely but again if something happened to my current one. High quality and excellent design.